Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to get a refund on Temo without returning the item. First, open your Temo app and tap the U icon at the bottom center of your screen. Then go to your orders to view the items you recently purchased. Find the item you want to return and tap the refund button. If you're eligible, Temo will show you a special message that says something like, "You are eligible to refund without returning the item." This means you don't need to send it back, and they automatically process your refund. This usually happens when the item is low cost or it's not worth it for Temo to pay for the return shipping. So instead, they just refund your money and let you keep the item. That's it. It's super quick and easy. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.